Welcome back everyone. This is the June product launch from SwitchOn, and today we have 11 new exciting features here to make quality inspections better for our customers. In the OCR model training process, a lot of time was spent by our users trying to annotate each individual image, and this whole process took the most amount of time in OCR model training. In the annotated image album, you will find a small button here that says auto annotate. On clicking that button, our internal AI algorithms will run and it will automatically annotate these images for you. With this feature, we hope to reduce OCR training time by almost half, because most of the time was spent in annotation. We captured 100 images and later we found out that the images were shifting, the position of the image was incorrect, maybe the camera was incorrect, etc, etc, etc. So now, before you actually proceed with image capture, you can click on the play button and it will show you a sample image from each camera. So you can ensure that your camera images are correctly, your camera and your sensor is correctly configured before you proceed with image capture. Going forward, we have introduced in-app software updater. What this means is software updates are very easy. In the software, you go to the About section. After you go to the About section, you get a widget where you can click on check for updates. If there's a new update available, it will show you the same. When clicking on install now, the system will automatically download the new update and install it onto your device. DeepInspect Edge did not support multicam settings. So for 3 cameras, we did not support a bunch of settings. We are now introducing that. One of them is multiple sensitivity amongst more other settings. All these settings will be available for the 3 camera versions of our DIH software. Any kind of classification output will now be visible in DI Cloud. This will be visible in the inspection gallery and the analytics section as well. So as you can see here, the predictions for classifications, the class predictions are also showed in DI Cloud. In the analytics, we have 4 different types of analytics. So there is date-wise analytics, for which the user just needs to enter a date range. The system will automatically show analytics for all SKUs that ran between that date range. In case the user wishes to see for a particular SKU in detail, they can click the View Details button and they can go to the second tab, which is the SKU-wise analytics. In the SKU-wise analytics, for a given date range, the system will show detailed per day analytics for the selected SKU. We also have shift-wise analytics, in which the system will show analytics for a particular day in each shifts. And then we have part-wise analytics, in which the system will show a detail per inspection record for all the inspections that have happened in a given time frame. What deployment recipes will enable you to do is to configure and run AI models within DeepInspect Train. To create a deployment recipe, you go to the inspect module and click on new. You select the SKUs, you select the model that you wish to run, and you configure the remaining parameters and you save it. Once you save a deployment recipe, you can click on run and run your inspections within DeepInspect Train without having to export the model to DeepInspect Edge.